wide and a spacious living room जहाँ पर आप such luxurious 2 parallel platforms. Also you can your master bedroom where you can put your king size bed. So hi, hello everyone, welcome to Housey. This is Yamin and we'll be doing a sample flat tour of Puranik Rayu by Puranik Builders, which is located at Bhayandarpada at Gorbandar Road, opposite to Lodha Splendora. Not only this, I'm standing here at the actual location and this is the sales office. Right in front of the actual tower, and you can see the construction is fully on swing. Let me take you and give you a look on the main road. Not only that, we have a nice neighborhood road that gives a nice connectivity, and also on the right hand side that would be a Majiwada and left hand side Mira Road. So what are you waiting for? Come on, let's explore more with me. So before going ahead, let me tell you what is Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price and 100% guarantee. Unlike other current listing platforms whereby if you just do an inquiry, your number gets shared with multiple brokers, resulting in lots and lots of calls. Where Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So, book your dream home right now with your favorite developer through Housey. So now let's talk about the project overview. So this project is constructed over 12 acres of land parcel having 9 towers, G plus 3 level of podiums plus 47 floors, having configuration of 1 and 2 BHK with and without staff room premium residencies. So now let's talk about the amenities part. This project has 25 plus luxurious amenities that includes aqua gym, pickleball, soul therapy room, sensory garden, clubhouse, kids play area, cabana and many more. Now talking about the location part. So this project is located next to Gorbandar Road, Gaimukh Gaon, Bhayandarpada Thane. Upcoming metro station is Gaimukh and Govniwada. Now talking about the connectivity. Shriram Hospital is just 1.3 km. D-Mart is just 2.5 km. Titan Hospital just 2 km. And your and my favorite Suraj Water Park just 3 km. Now this is a bang on Gorbandar Road connectivity. On the right hand side you can go towards the Majiwada and left hand side you can go towards the Mira Road. तो चलिए आइए अब हम जा रहे हैं हमारा सैम्पल फ्लैट टूर देखने, जिसका कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है 640 स्क्वायर फीट कारपेट एरिया विद बैल्कनी. सो कम ऑन, लेट्स कम विथ मी. सो ये है हमारा एंट्रेंस ऑफ द सैम्पल फ्लैट टूर, जिसकी एंट्रेंस आप देख सकते हो कितनी वाइड एंड स्पेशियस है. यहाँ पर आप अपने शू रैक प्लेस कर सकते हो और चाहो तो डेकोरेटिव पर्पज़ के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हो बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी एक्सक्लूसिव. कमिंग अहेड, यहाँ पर मैं देख रही हूँ इतना अच्छा वाइड स्पेशियस डाइनिंग एरिया है जहाँ पर आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ अच्छे से बैठ के अपना डिनर से लेके लंच एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. कमिंग अहेड, लेट मी टेक यू टू द वाइड एंड अ स्पेशियस लिविंग रूम, जहाँ पर आप यहाँ पर अपने फैमिली के साथ बैठ के टीवी में अच्छे से नेटफ्लिक्स एंड पॉपकॉर्न एंजॉय कर सकते हो. ऑल्सो यू कैन प्लेस एन AC हियर एंड एंजॉय योर मूवी हिस्टोरिकल्स. Let me take you to the balcony. So हमारी यहाँ पर spacious balcony है. Opening and showing you the balcony structure. We have anti-skid tiles with iron railing, 3-sided covered as a part of furnishing. Now let me take you to the kitchen area. So the kitchen is very wide and spacious. As you can see, I'm able to walk in with such luxurious 2 parallel platforms. Also you can keep your masalas and keep some stuffs here. Also यहाँ पर भी एक बहुत अच्छा स्पेशियस जगह बनाया है ताकि आप अपने घर की सारा सामान यहाँ पर अच्छे से रख सकते हो. यही नहीं, मेरे पास इतना अच्छा वाइड स्पेशियस है जहाँ पर आप अपने रेफ्रिजरेटर भी प्लेस कर सकते हो एंड यू कैन कीप एनीथिंग व्हाटएवर यू वांट एट योर स्टोरेज. नाउ लेट मी टेक यू टू द कॉमन वॉशरूम. So this is the common washroom which has anti-skid tiling, CP-centric fittings, showering area to whatnot. Let me take you inside. So it's a wide and a spacious one, the showering area, and let me show you the dry area. So जहाँ पर आप अपने washing machine अच्छे से place कर सकते हैं, अपने कपड़े अच्छे से सुखा सकते हो. इतना ज़्यादा spacious and wide place आपको दिया गया है आपके washroom में. And coming ahead, we'll go to the kids bedroom. So this is the wonderful white kids bedroom, जहाँ पर काफ़ी spacious है. You can move in and around. आप ऊपर जाके सारी जो लग्जरीज चीज़ है उसे देख सकते हो. आपके किड्स यहाँ पर अच्छे से सो सकते हैं with the ventilation and lightning thing. Also, they can come here and put their clothes in. इतना अच्छा wardrobe spacious दिया हुआ है. Side में they have the study table, a nice study table for them to read, go through and prepare for your exams. Now, before going ahead towards the master bedroom, let me tell you Housey key features. So it gives you an actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedules, and also 360-degree location tour. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule a site visit soon with Housey. Let me take you to the master bedroom now. So this is our luxurious master bedroom. Taking you to the washroom first. So this is the washroom area with anti-skid tiles, CP-centric fittings as a part of furnishing. So now this is your spacious, wide, luxurious master bedroom. You can put your king size bed here, and also let me show you the wide and spacious ventilation window जहाँ पर आपको lighting purpose के लिए और अच्छे से आप बाहर का व्यू भी देख सकते हैं. And let me show you the wardrobe space. It is such a long wardrobe space where you can literally put all your clothes in. Not only that, you'll be getting a spacious for your laptop or to put some beautiful decoration out here to make your master bedroom more luxurious and more beautiful. So as you all know, we are here at the Bhayandarpara Ghodbunder Road. अगर आपने ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो please let me know in the comment section. Also, for entire details of this project, please click on the I button so you don't have to roam here and there to search for the entire detail of this project. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey. Also, you can visit the site www.housey.com. Thank you so much.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.